3D printers revolutionize manufacturing by creating objects layer by layer from digital designs. They work with materials like plastics, resin, and metal, enabling applications in prototyping, healthcare, art, and education. Offering precision and customization, 3D printers empower creativity and efficiency. From hobbyists to industries, they make complex designs accessible, transforming ideas into tangible, functional products. So let's get started. Anycubic Photon Mono 2, redefining 3D printing excellence. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 provides creators with a high-resolution, precise, and easy-to-use 3D printer, perfect for producing intricate models. Featuring advanced upgrades, it's an ideal option for those transitioning from FDM to LCD printing technology. 6.6 4K Plus HD screen. The 6.6-inch monochrome LCD screen delivers 4096 by 2560 resolution, ensuring exceptional detail for miniature and intricate designs. Upgraded light turbo matrix. The improved light source provides stable, uniform lighting, minimizing visible layers and grid lines for smoother, professional quality results. Larger build volume. A build space of 165 x 143 x 89 accommodates larger projects without increasing the printer's footprint, balancing versatility and space efficiency. Improved printing success rate. The laser engraved platform enhances adhesion, while the reinforced LCD screen protector guards against resin leaks and scratches, promoting longevity and reliability. Enhanced slicing software. The Photon Workshop 3.0 software simplifies model preparation with an intuitive interface and tools for support addition, model arrangement, and shell extraction. Combining precision, innovation, and user-friendly design, the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is a powerful choice for taking 3D printing projects to the next level. Number 4. Creality Ender 3v3 3D Printer. This 3D printer delivers a powerful upgrade in speed, precision, and ease of use, making it ideal for creators who need efficient, high-quality prints. With advanced features, this model stands out among its predecessors like the Ender 3 and Ender 3 Pro. 250mm/s high-speed printing. The Ender 3v3 boasts an impressive maximum printing speed of 250mm/s with 2500mm/s acceleration, drastically cutting printing time by up to 73% without sacrificing quality. This feature makes it an excellent choice for users seeking both speed and precision in their projects. Powerful Sprite Direct Extruder. An upgrade over previous models, the Sprite Full Metal Dual Gear Extruder ensures smooth filament feeding and discharging. With enhanced pushing force, it is designed for reliability and works flawlessly with materials like PLA, TPU, and PETCH. Over 500,000 units of this extruder have been shipped worldwide, proving its market-tested reliability. CR Touch Auto Leveling and Strain Sensor. The printer comes equipped with CR Touch Auto Leveling and a strain sensor for auto-Z offset, eliminating the need for manual adjustments during the printing process. This feature makes setup easy and enhances print success rates. Stable dual Z-axis and Y-axis linear shafts. The dual Z-axis lead screws and Y-axis linear shafts made from durable steel ensure stability and accuracy. These features minimize wobbling and deviations, resulting in high-precision prints even for complex designs. Creality Official Support. The Ender 3v3 comes with 12-month after-sales service, ensuring users can get help and support whenever needed, with a response time of 24 hours through official channels. The Creality Ender 3v3 combines speed, precision, and user-friendly features, making it an exceptional choice for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. The next is Number 3. Prusa MK4 3D Printer. The Prusa MK4 is the latest addition to Prusa's flagship line of 3D printers, renowned for its reliability and advanced features. Combining the proven safety and reliability of its predecessors with high-speed capabilities, the MK4 is designed to meet the needs of professionals and enthusiasts alike. High-speed performance. The MK4 is equipped with input shaper support, enabling faster printing without compromising quality. This ensures smoother and more accurate prints, even at higher speeds, making it ideal for both rapid prototyping and detailed projects. Perfect first layer. With the inclusion of the load cell sensor, the MK4 delivers flawless first layers without requiring any manual adjustments. This sensor automatically calibrates the print bed, eliminating a common challenge for 3D printing. DIY kit or pre-built. The MK4 is available as a DIY kit for those who enjoy assembling their own printers, or as a fully built and tested unit for users who prefer to start printing right away. This flexibility caters to a wide range of users, from hobbyists to professional creators. Next-gen extruder and 32-bit platform. The Nextruder offers enhanced printing performance, featuring quick swap nozzles for versatility and convenience. The 32-bit connected platform adds even more functionality, including remote printing, a customizable user interface, and a one-click printing option, greatly improving user experience. Prusa MK4S sample and lifetime support. Each purchase includes a free sample of Prusa MK4S 2x25G, and Prusa Research provides lifetime technical assistance along with 24-hour customer service for any inquiries or troubleshooting needs. With its innovative features, high-speed capabilities, and trusted reliability, the Prusa MK4 is a powerful 3D printer that is perfect for creators seeking both performance and ease of use. The next is Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3-Combo 3D Printer. This 3D printer is a cutting-edge machine designed for users seeking both speed and versatility. This innovative printer allows for multicolor printing and boasts exceptional printing speed, making it a standout choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Multicolor printing. The Anycubic Kobra 3 is equipped with the Anycubic Ace Pro, enabling users to print in up to 4 colors. In the third quarter of 2024, the Anycubic Color Engine Hub will launch, allowing for prints in up to 8 colors, unlocking endless possibilities for personalized designs and artistic creations. Intelligent design. The Anycubic Ace Pro incorporates key features like nozzle clog detection, automatic filament refill, drying, and RFID sync. These intelligent features ensure that users experience smooth, efficient, and trouble-free printing, reducing the chances of failed prints. High-speed printing. With a print speed of up to 600 mm/s and 20,000 mm/s acceleration, the Kobra 3 Combo is 12 times faster than traditional FDM 3D printers. This remarkable speed allows users to complete projects in records time without compromising on print quality. Vibration compensation. The accelerometer G sensors detect vibrations during printing and adjust the motion control system to prevent issues like ringing. This ensures that the Kobra 3 Combo produces smooth and high-quality prints, even at fast speeds. Pantone collaboration. The Kobra 3 Combo offers an enhanced color experience with Pantone's 3D printing exclusive color filament, bringing stunning, vibrant designs to life. With its user-friendly design, pre-installed features, and auto-leveling system, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo combines power, speed, and versatility, making it a top-tier choice for those entering the world of 3D printing or looking to enhance their creative capabilities. The next is Number 1. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. This is a high-performance 3D printer that brings speed, precision, and convenience together, providing users with greater creative possibilities. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this printer offers the features you need to bring your designs to life quickly and efficiently. Efficiency driving creativity. The Adventurer 5M Pro boasts an impressive maximum travel speed of 600 mm/s and an acceleration of up to 20,000 mm/s, allowing you to realize your designs rapidly. The nozzle heats up to 200 degrees Celsius within 35 seconds, saving time and enabling quick project turnaround. Quality assurance for intricate details. Despite its speed, the printer ensures high-quality results. The Core XY structure, combined with an all-metal frame, guarantees stability, even during high-speed movements. With multiple nozzle sizes, 0.25 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, and 0.8 mm, you can strike a perfect balance between speed and intricate details, producing flawless prints. Smart convenience and innovative experience. The Adventurer 5M Pro offers a seamless user experience with automatic bed leveling using pressure sensing. The multi-point precision detection of platform height ensures smooth and flawless initial layers without the need for manual adjustments. The dual-sided PI platform makes model removal quick and tool-free. User-friendly operation. From unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes, this printer is designed for convenience. The FlashMaker app provides remote video monitoring, real-time progress tracking, and allows you to adjust parameters and receive alerts. Additional features like auto shutdown, resume printing, and filament detection streamline the workflow, while the dual circulation system ensures a dust-free environment for safer printing. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro brings both speed and precision to the table, offering a powerful and easy-to-use solution for 3D printing enthusiasts, so this is the best option for you to buy. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.